In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add automatic subtitles here within Premiere Pro. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to quickly generate automatic subtitles here within Premiere Pro, here's exactly how you can do it. Begin by highlighting the audio clip on your timeline. And what you're going to want to do is actually go up to the Windows section all the way up at the top and then just scroll down until you see the text option and go ahead and select it. And it's going to pull up a page that looks something like this. What you're going to want to do within this text panel here is click on this transcribe button or transcript button if it doesn't automatically appear. And after doing so, it's going to show you everything that's said within your audio. Once it's done, click on this create captions button here. And you can adjust these caption settings by clicking on the down arrow here. In this case, I'm going to change the maximum length to 10 characters, just like so. And then on top of that, I'm going to change the duration to 1.2. These are just the settings that I recommend if you want it like more fast paced. I also recommend changing the style to single if there's an option within here. If there's not, go ahead and click on the lines option and then select single. You can just copy my settings if you would like. From here, go ahead and hit create captions. It's going to load for a second and then your captions are going to load. Now they're going to be at the bottom at first. If you want to go ahead and change them, go ahead and select all of your captions and then navigate into the essential graphics tab here and you can go ahead and change them. For example, I could put them in the middle of the screen. I could maybe even put them on the right. It doesn't necessarily matter. I can put them directly here. I can add a stroke to them. I can change the font to something more basic. And then from here, I can also adjust the size of every single one of them at the same time. So for example, this is what it's going to look like for me, but you can make it look completely different if you would like. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like it and subscribe. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more Premiere Pro content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.